What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up a Shopify store for print on demand. So the print on demand business model is basically where you upload your design on a certain product, and once you get an order for this product, the print on demand platform itself that you will link to your Shopify, that'll be Printify, as we'll see in a second. This platform, the Printify platform, in this case, in the case of this video, will handle like the printing and the packaging, the shipping, and everything. So that's like a hands-off model of business that you can use. You don't have to have a physical inventory of the product itself to sell. All you can do is just set it up, and then once you get an order, it'll be printed and sent to the customer on demand. So let's get right to it. First of all, here I have set up a sample store. So this is like a new Shopify store that I set up right here. And I need also to be signed in to my Printify account. So go to printify.com. Printify is the platform, the print on demand platform, or like the platform that will fulfill the orders for print on demand that we will use in this video. They offer a lot of different variations or variants of products. So from like clothing to mugs to blankets to towels, frames, you name it. So you can view the catalog really quickly. And as you can see, you have a large variety of items to choose from. So what you want to do here is to install the Printify app onto your Shopify store. So for this, let's go here to add apps from the menu on the left, click on it. And in here, in this pop-up, you can find the Printify print on demand app to install it. So that's in the like recommended apps. However, if you do not find it here, just go to Shopify App Store. It'll open up in a new tab. And in here, you want to search for Printify. So type in Printify, hit enter, and you should find Printify here in the search result. Click on it. And make sure it's the official app developed by Printify themselves. Then click on install, and then it'll redirect you to this page where you want to click on install. And here, once you click on install, it'll go ahead and take up a few moments to install the app. And now it is installed, and it asks you to like create a Printify store. So you can continue with Google, or like enter your email and password and check this I'm not a robot box, and sign up to create a new Printify store. Or if you do already have a Printify store, just scroll down and then click on sign in, where you would be asked to enter the email and password of your Printify store in order to sign in. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my Printify email and password right here, then click on sign in. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm signed in to my Printify account right here, and it shows from within the Printify app inside of my Shopify store. So here, let's select a product to start designing, or add our design to start selling. Let's say I want to sell like a towel. Let's go to catalog, and let's go to like home and living, and we can see here like under like towels, and it'll load up the towels that they offer. So let's say here, this hand towel looks good. You can hover over any of the products and it'll show you where your design will go. So here it shows that our design will fill in all the size or all the area of the towel. So I like that. Let's click on this product. It'll open up the product page, and it'll show you some description of the product as well as the provider. In this case, there is only one provider, and he has, or they have like a high rating, so that's pretty good. Let's start designing. Click on start designing to add our design to this product and list it to be sold on our Shopify store. So let's add, you can add a design for like from an AI image generator, a custom text, or a stock images from Shutterstock. However, I do not recommend it, since we want our like design to be unique. So let's add from my device. You can use sites or platforms like Canva to design designs for your product. However, for this video, I'll just choose like some photo of like a random logo that I designed earlier on Canva. Okay, open it. It'll load up our design right here. And now our logo is added inside the towel. So of course this is like for the sake of showing you how to add a design. You can resize it, you can rotate it, you can like crop it, you can do whatever you want. And here you have your background color. You can change the background color. Okay. So that looks good. Actually, let's finish setting it up and then save the product. And you can add another design, so you can add as many designs as you want to. And here you will have your mockups, so it'll generate images for your product on a real towel, on like a context image here, 1, 2, and 3. So you can see your design like in action in real life photos. And here you scroll down, you can edit the title, so hand towel. You can edit the description. So for the sake of this video, I'll just leave the description and the details of the design and dimensions as they are. And if you are like having a clothing item like a t-shirt or a hoodie, you can add a size table to description, so it'll show up like the size chart to help the customers decide the best size for them. And you can add tags, so towels, they added by default towels, bathroom, and you can add other tags as well. And here you can assign a new shipping profile. Let's say general profile. Now you have the pricing. So if you scroll to the right here, you can see that the production cost is like $8.96 and the shipping cost is $4.59. So it costs around $13.50, including shipping. So here you want to go to retail price and enter like a price that will be shown on your Shopify store. So it'll be sold on your Shopify store for like 20 bucks. That'll show you that the profit is like $11 for one towel, which is a 55% margin, which is pretty good. So now you can have, so if this item has many variants, you can select the variants that you want to, so like sizes, colors, and so on. And here is the product visibility in your store. You can hide it in your store and show stock variants here. Okay, and now you can add it to a Shopify collections. Let's add it to the home page. And now you can, I don't know if you can see this green button behind the trial started, which says publish. So we want to click on publish right here. Okay, publish. And now the product should be added to your Shopify store. So to test it out, it's publishing right now. And once it finishes publishing, it'll be shown in the products of your Shopify store, and you should be able to start receiving orders for it right away. So let's just check out here, go to the products on our Shopify store. And as you can see, the hand towel that we added is now like ready to be sold. It's active and the vendor is Printify, as you can see. And if we click on it, we can edit the details like title, images, and so on. Here we can edit the title, description, can edit the photos. We have the variants, so you can edit them. You can edit the size as well. And here it shows only one variant, and this is the price that we added. So this is how easy it is to add products for Printify to be sold on your Shopify store for print on demand. Now, one final step, I'll just show you how it looks like on our store. So go to online store here and then click on the eye next to it to view our online store. It'll open up in a new tab. And here, as you can see, this is the featured product because when we were setting up the product, we selected to be added on our home screen. So that's the product. If we click on it, it'll show up here with the color, the size, and so on. However, let's edit the color because here it shows up the color that we added on Printify as the background color, not the white base. So let's go back to the product page here, and then let's edit the color. Okay. So that's the background color that we chose, and click done, and then save. And once your changes are saved, go back to the product page and then reload it or refresh it. And as you can see now, the color is now edited. And that's pretty much it. That's how you add a design to the Printify product and sell it on your Shopify store.